Student, myself, Rekha Sharma, Assistant Professor, Chemistry at Government College खैतरी। आज हम MSc प्रवेश केमिस्ट्री में फिजिकल केमिस्ट्री के टॉपिक काइनेटिक्स ऑफ एंजाइम कैटालाइज्ड रिएक्शन के बारे में इस वीडियो में डिस्कस करेंगे। तो फर्स्ट हम डिस्कस करते हैं कि एंजाइम क्या होते हैं। एंजाइम मेनली होमोजीनियस बायोलॉजिकल कैटलिस्ट होते हैं एंड दीज इंड्यूस करते हैं एक स्पेसिफिक रिएक्शन को, यानी ईच एंजाइम कैन कैटेलाइज ए स्पेसिफिक रिएक्शन। एंड टू एक्सप्लेन द एंजाइम सबस्ट्रेट कॉम्प्लेक्स वी कैन स्टडीज थ्री कंसेप्ट्स। फर्स्ट है लॉक एंड की थ्योरी, सेकेंड है इंड्यूस फिट थ्योरी, थर्ड है एंजाइम सबस्ट्रेट कॉम्प्लेक्स थ्योरी। तो हियर वी डिस्कस एंजाइम सबस्ट्रेट कॉम्प्लेक्स थ्योरी for kinetics of enzyme catalyzed reaction. This theory is proposed by Michel and Menten, and it is also called Michel-Menten reactions. In this mechanism, following steps are involved. First step is formation of the enzyme substrate complex. Here E react with substrate and formation of ES take place. Here E is the free enzyme and S is the substrate. First step is the fast step. Second step, decomposition of the complex take place. So here ES convert into product and free enzyme. This step is slow step and this step is also rate determining step. Here ES is the enzyme substrate complex and P is the products. So second step determine करता है rate law for this reaction. तो according to the slow rate determining step, the rate of the reaction is given by rate is equal to Kt concentration of ES enzyme substrate complex. Now applying steady state approximation to the enzyme substrate complex. In first step, formation of enzyme substrate complex take place, and in first step, in which reverse reaction consumable of enzyme substrate complex take place, and in second step, consumable of enzyme substrate complex. Where formation of enzyme substrate complex take place, then we use positive sign, and consumable take place, then we use negative sign. So from first and second step we get d concentration of ES upon dt is equal to K1 concentration of enzyme into concentration of substrate minus K minus 1 concentration of enzyme substrate complex minus K2 concentration of enzyme substrate complex is equal to 0. And we see that the enzyme is consumed in step first and regenerated in step second. Now concentration of enzyme E cannot be measured experimentally. So because the true equilibrium is not achieved in the first step, because the subsequent slow reaction is constantly removing the intermediate enzyme substrate complex. The equilibrium between the free and the bound enzyme is given by enzyme conservation equation. So from equation 3 is obtained कि concentration of E0 बराबर concentration of E plus concentration of ES, where E0 is equal to total enzyme concentration, E is equal to free enzyme concentration, और ES is equal to bound enzyme concentration. So E is equal to E0 minus ES. Now substituting the value of E from equation 4 in equation 2, and we get कि K1 E0 into concentration of S is equal to ES into K1 S plus K minus 1 plus K2. So from we get concentration of enzyme substrate complex, तो ES is equal to K1 E0 concentration of S upon K1 concentration of S plus K minus 1 plus K2. Now substituting the value of ES from the equation 5 into the equation first, and we get the rate, and rate is equal to K2 K1 E0 concentration of S upon K1 S plus K minus 1 plus K2. And so from the equation 6 we get the rate of reaction for this enzyme catalyst reaction. Now dividing the numerator and denominator by K1, and we get rate is equal to K2 E0 S upon S plus K minus 1 upon K1 plus K2 upon K1. या यहाँ से रेट इज इक्वल टू K2 E0 S upon K minus 1 plus K2 upon K1 plus S. Now we introduce a new constant Km which called the Michel constant. So K minus 1 plus K2 upon K1 is equal to Km is equal to Michel constant. Km is equal to K minus 1 plus K2 upon K1, and we get equation 7. So rate is equal to K2 E0 concentration of S upon Km plus concentration of S. This equation is known as the Michel-Menten equation, and which represent the rate of reaction for this reaction, where E0 is the total enzyme concentration, S is the substrate concentration, and Km is the Michel constant. When all the enzyme has reacted with the substrate at high concentration, the reaction will be going at maximum rate. No free enzyme will remain, so that E0 is equal to ES. यदि सभी एंजाइम रिएक्ट कर जाएंगे सबस्ट्रेट से, तो इस कंडीशन में E0 इज इक्वल टू ES होगा, यानी टोटल एंजाइम कंसंट्रेशन होगी एंजाइम सबस्ट्रेट कॉम्प्लेक्स के इक्वल. तो फ्रॉम इक्वेशन 1 से रेट मैक्सिमम इक्वल टू हो जाएगा K2 E0. ES की जगह E0 पुट कर देंगे, या V मैक्सिमम, वेयर V मैक्सिमम इज द मैक्सिमम रेट. अब नाउ फ्रॉम इक्वेशन 7 which is rate is equal to K2 E0 S upon Km plus S. Here K2 E0 is equal to V maximum रखने पर हमें rate is equal to V maximum concentration of S upon Km plus concentration of S प्राप्त होगी. तो in this condition two case arise होते हैं. First case is if Km is greater than, is very greater than from the concentration of substrate. So in this condition, concentration of substrate can be neglected in the denominator, and we get rate is equal to V maximum concentration of S upon Km. From this equation, we see that ki rate depend upon the first order of concentration of substrate. So in this condition, where Km is very greater than concentration of substrate हो, तो in this condition the rate is first order reaction. Second condition, यदि substrate is concentration of substrate is very greater than Km हो, तो in this condition Km can be neglected in the denominator, and from equation 7 we get rate is equal to V maximum concentration of S upon concentration of S is equal to V maximum. So here we see that ki rate does not depend upon the concentration of substrate. So in this condition the reaction is zero order reaction. Km is equal to concentration of substrate हो, तो from equation 9 we get rate is equal to V maximum by 2. So we can say that कि Michel constant is equal to that concentration of S, in so that the rate of formation of product is half the maximum rate obtained at high concentration of substrate. So in this condition the rate is equal to V maximum by 2. If we plot a graph between rate and concentration of substrate, and this like graph is obtained. Here this represent the rate is equal to V maximum concentration of S upon Km, यानी here reaction is first order reaction, and here rate is equal to V maximum, and in this condition reaction is zero order reaction. और Km इजकल टू Ks हो तो यहाँ रेट इजकल टू V मैक्सिमम बाई 2. दिस graph represent at low substrate concentration. Most of these active sites remain unoccupied at n time. As the substrate concentration is increased, the number of active sites which are occupied increase, and hence the reaction rate also increase. However, at very high concentration, virtually all the active sites are occupied at any time. So in this condition, increase in substrate concentration cannot further increase the formation of enzyme substrate complex. Now we determine Michel constant. Michel constant is determined by two methods. First is Lineweaver-Burke method and second is Ide-Hofstad method. Here we discuss two methods. So first is Lineweaver-Burke method. We know that rate is equal to V maximum concentration of S upon Km plus concentration of S. Now 1 upon rate is equal to Km plus concentration of S upon V maximum concentration of S. So here we get 1 upon rate is equal to Km V maximum concentration of S plus 1 upon V maximum. So we plot a graph between 1 upon rate upon 1 upon concentration of substrate, and this type of plot is obtained. So and we get a straight line whose intercept on the x-axis is equal to, so intercept is equal to 1 upon V maximum and slope is equal to Km upon V maximum is obtained. By slope and intercept we get Michel constant. Now second is Ide-Hofstad method. So rate is equal to V maximum concentration of S upon Km plus concentration of S. So this equation is rearranged and we get rate upon concentration of S is equal to V maximum upon Km plus S, and divide with Km and we get rate is equal to rate upon concentration of S plus rate upon Km is equal to V maximum upon Km, या rate upon concentration of S is equal to V maximum upon Km minus rate upon Km. Now plot a graph between rate upon concentration of S against rate, and we get a straight line which slope is minus 1 upon Km and intercept is equal to V maximum upon Km, and from slope and intercept we get Km which is Michel constant, and from both the graph we get Km and V maximum. तो लाइनवीवर-बुर्क मेथड एंड इडे-होफस्टाड मेथड के द्वारा हम मिचेल मेंटेन कांस्टेंट को डिटरमाइन कर सकते हैं. एंड नेक्स्ट वीडियो में हम काइनेटिक्स ऑफ चेन रिएक्शन के बारे में डिस्कस करेंगे.